Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Salesforce mobile app and enable offline sync. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Salesforce mobile app, begin by opening the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. In the search bar, type Salesforce and press enter. Locate the official Salesforce app in the search results. Tap on the app to view more details. Once on the app page, click the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installation is complete, find the Salesforce app icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the app. You will be prompted to log in with your Salesforce credentials. Enter your username and password, then tap the login button. If prompted, complete any additional authentication steps, such as a security verification code. After logging in successfully, you can access your Salesforce data. To enable offline sync, navigate to your app settings. Tap on the Settings option in the app menu. Scroll down and locate the Offline Sync option. Toggle the switch to turn on offline access. You will see a prompt asking if you want to download necessary data for offline usage. Confirm your selection to begin the data download. Once the data download is complete, you will be able to access Salesforce without an internet connection. To verify that offline sync is active, check the offline indicator in the app. You are now ready to use the Salesforce mobile app with offline capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.